everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today I have a video for you where I'll be swatching these two watercolor palettes by Prima. And I already purchased this Pastel Dreams watercolor palette last year, and this is what the swatch looks like on that one. And then I also have the Tropicals that I purchased a few weeks ago. So once I purchased the Tropics palette, I decided that I wanted to get these two. So I purchased this one first, and then I just recently purchased this one like a few days ago, and I got it last week or a few days ago. So I have these two, and then this is what the packaging looks like for the other ones, for these, the Tropicals and the Pastels. So like I said, this was the first one that I had, and then the Tropicals. And then the reason why I wanted to purchase 4 of them is because I have this tin that I also purchased, and I wanted to fill this completely up with all 4 of the palettes. And I saw a few people do these. 2 in particular was Painting Paradise on Instagram and on YouTube. And there's also another YouTuber that I saw do this. Her name is Danielle Hawks. So those were the 2 that I saw do that. So I probably will put that part in a second video. And then for this video, I'll just be doing the swatches on these 2. So like I said, the packaging is the first thing that I noticed that was different about them. And I haven't even opened these. Oh my God, I'm so excited like to open them right now. But so I'm trying to get it. But yeah, so there we go. So yeah, so the packaging is different, but the stickers look a little different, but they're okay. They're still cute, even though I'm still going to be transferring them to other pens. And then eventually I'll probably peel the stickers off and use these tins for something else. I just love the tins. They're so adorable and compact, and you can just take them wherever you want. And the cleanup is easy. So, and then this is the Classics. So that's these 2, and here's the swatch for that one, the swatch little key, and the swatch key for this one. Packaging is still pretty with all of the names on there. I love it. It just looks like candy. And then I also purchased some new brushes. So I'll be using one of these, probably that one. And like I said, once I'm done doing the swatches on this, I just want to see what it looks like on here, just to say that I did it. I'll put all of these in here, and I'm probably going to put them in Reggie Bibb's format: red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, and violet. And I'll put them in that way and do a custom swatch and put that up here. So I'm going to remove all of the packaging, all of the little papers on here, and I will be right back to show you what they look like outside of the packaging, and I'll do the little swatches on here. Yay, I'm so excited. So yep, I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back, and I'm nearly done taking all of the packaging or all the little papers off of here, and I just love how it looks when I unwrap these things. It's just like a beautiful mess right now. So I still have them in order. And these, they do have the numbers on the side of them. The one thing that I will say, since I am transferring it to another palette, I do wish, even though it has the numbers, I'm cool with that, but I do wish that maybe but the names are kind of long, so I don't know. But I was going to say that I wish there was the names on the side or maybe even on the bottom, even though some of the names are kind of long. And one more thing that I wanted to point out was that these have the number on them. But once it gets to like 37, the pastel palette, it doesn't have anything on the pans. So I'm not sure if that's like 37 and up, and if the beginning one, the first 3 palettes have them on there, and it's just maybe the pastel. I don't know, but I do wish that these had the numbers, but it's no big deal. I'll just write these on the side. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop these guys back into their tins, and I'll go ahead and do the swatch. So I'll go ahead and speed this right back up again. All right, guys, so in this final sped up portion of the video, I just want to come on and read a little bit about the watercolors. On the box, it says that Watercolor Confections are artist grade, high quality, and highly pigmented watercolor pans. And I just want to say that the colors in this palette, they are so vibrant. They're very beautiful. I think that they are truly classic colors. And when you wet it, it dissolves so easily. And a little bit, like the other ones, a little bit goes a long way. And I also wanted to just say that the white, though, I don't think that I'll be using that as much, because like a lot of other people who use watercolors, they feel like the white is kind of useless because it doesn't really show up on top of other colors. So if I do use it, I will probably just mix it in with different paints just to make a little more pastel-y kind of color. But I do have the pastel watercolor pans. So, and even with watercolors, like if you add water to it, the colors will show up pastel anyway, but still, that's probably what I'm going to use it for. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for this video. But I do have the other palette that I showed you in this video, the Decadent Pies palette, that I'm going to have to put in another video, so it'll be a second part, because this video has gotten to be too long and it's going to take me forever to try to upload it because my internet is crap. So keep a lookout for that video. I'll probably post it up right after this one once I finish editing and getting everything together. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a comment in the section below. Till next time, bye bye.